In 1994, the biotechnology company Genentech was conducting trials of Herceptin, a promising new breast cancer drug. Seeing the potential of this treatment and believing it should be made available to as many women as possible, a small group of breast cancer advocates got involved.
They were really very outspoken and active, and I think actually chained themselves to the gates at Genentech so that there would be better access to the drug Herceptin.
At our organization, we 10 years ago probably didn't have very many, if any, significant partnerships with industry. There was a sense that there wasn't a desire to do that on the part of industry, and the organization felt like, well, why would we even approach those people to help us? They're not interested.
When I first found out I was HER2, I went everywhere on the web and there was nothing out there for me but death.
Realizing that they shared the common goal of finding better treatments to improve the lives of women suffering from breast cancer, Genentech made the decision to collaborate with local and national breast cancer advocates.
I think over the last 10 years, maybe a little more, there's been an interesting trend toward advocacy organizations working with industry and recognizing that there are ways to partner together.
I don't know at that time, 10 years ago, that any other company was allowing patients to be part of the process. I think that Genentech really started this process.
The National Breast Cancer Coalition has attempted to do this with other clinical trials, but the model is this first Herceptin trial where we really were able to have a voice.
It was very brave of Genentech to partner with us in the beginning because they knew we weren't going to follow blindly. We knew what we were talking about, and we truly were going to challenge them, and we did.
Genentech partnered with breast cancer advocates to design the pivotal Phase 3 Herceptin trial.
We helped redesign the clinical trial protocol. We sat on the steering committee. We sat on the data safety monitoring board. We went to the investigator meetings. We helped design and get out information about the trial. And we helped make certain that the research was being done the way it should be done and that we would get the answer as quickly as possible.
Genentech worked very well with the advocates, allowing advocates to take a part of the basic committee that was formulating the clinical trial. As a result, the accrual just sped up and the trial was closed in record time because of this partnership with the advocates.
Genentech learned a great deal from advocates during the development of Herceptin. And today the company collaborates with patient advocacy groups to help support clinical programs, enroll trials, improve access to therapies, educate patients, and support advocate priorities.
The breast cancer advocacy in this has evolved from sort of the confrontational stage where advocates got the attention of industry to a more of a cooperative alliance.
We need people to take action and really ensure that we continue to move forward toward finding a cure for this disease and really getting active and making a difference.
We believe that access to care is a right, not a privilege.
If I didn't have Herceptin, I wouldn't be here to talk to you.